Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Red Sea mosquito reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether Red Sea mosquito is a legit product or a scam one. Apart from that, guys, I would like to inform you that this is not our product, but yes, if you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the amazing picture of this product, guys, and apart from that you can also slide the page to view the different colors and product parameters as well. So guys, this is, or you can say, the mosquitoes eliminator is an innovative device that kills mosquitoes and protect your family from mosquito bites. It is an amazing device, guys, that comes with various features. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So guys, let's start with the specifications. So you can see, guys, its weight is 288 gram and the rated frequency is 50 hertz, and the line length is 1.5 independent USB port. Apart from that, it works on the bionic technology blue light function, and it is applicable, or it is ideal for outdoor, hotel and indoor places as well, guys. It comes in three colors including black, white and green. Apart from that, it is safe and contain no harmful chemicals. So guys, its name is Bionic Suction Mosquito Killer. Apart from that, you can take a look at the different devices in different colors. Now the price of this offering is $29.99, guys. The actual price is $58.99, but the official website or the manufacturer is giving 49% off on this device. Apart from that, you can also buy two more items and save your 10% money. Now guys, talking about the other information, you can make the payment via PayPal. Now guys, this is the description of the product. You can see this killer mosquito device can protect you from the mosquito bites as in a quick time, guys. And coming to the pros of this product, so yes, you can use this device around pets, small kids and other place. This device lures mosquitoes in with UV light. Apart from that, guys, they comes with, these devices are comes with 360-degree fan that sucks them in, and the mosquitoes can't escape after cutting in the device. So this amazing device prevents from itching, burning mosquito bites, and guys, you can also enjoy your summer's evening outdoors without getting bitten from the mosquitoes. Apart from that, guys, the company is offering 50% direct off discount on this amazing device. You can grab this deal today. And coming to the usage of this product, guys, so you can simply need to you need to do the plug the device into a USB electrical outlet, or you can also use a power bank. Apart from that, then you need to place it in an area where mosquitoes gather, like you can place it in your backyard, in your living room, bedroom, hall, etc. Then it works magically, and this device will trap the mosquitoes and letting you enjoy a safe bite-free evening, guys. Apart from that, cleanup of this device is so easy. You need to dump the mosquitoes out of the holding container and just give it a quick rinse. So this was the usage process of this mosquito killer device. And apart from that, this is 100% safe, guys. It contains no poisons or harmful chemicals, which is an amazing thing. So this is ideal for adults and kids as well. So these were the pros of this product, guys. But before making any online purchase, it's really very important to define its legitimacy. So we have found the official website's domain age is 20th October 2020, which is a positive sign that defines its legitimacy. But guys, this is not enough to define the product legitimacy. This noiseless product comes with various extraordinary features, no doubt. But guys, talking about Red Sea Mosquito reviews, we have not found customer reviews about this product on the internet and on the official website as well. So this is a drawback here, and this product has no social media presence as well, guys. So these are the loopholes that can't define its legitimacy. So in the final conclusion, we would say check everything from your site before placing your order, because this product seems to be suspicious. Do proper research before making any decision, guys, because lack of customer reviews and lack of social media existence makes the product quite suspicious. And for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Guys, I request you all to share your experience with this product, and we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.